Okay, so now we're ready to test a new float. I wanted to show you guys basically when we're testing a float on a new pump, how we actually do it. I know in the service video we just demonstrated dipping the float in a bucket or a vat of water, and that's easy and that's fine if you're in the field. This is just much more precise, and this is how we build all of our new pumps. So we're just going to start here, and basically this is just basically like a simulator of a gas well, and we can actually see the liquid moving up and down, and we've got our trip points on our floats, just like we had talked about in the service video, and we can see when the liquid gets to the buoyancy. You can see how it carries the float up, and it's at natural buoyancy. Now what we're looking for is a trip point on this top mark. So we can actually stop the liquid, and we can adjust these magnets. So right now the magnet's too strong, and it's telling us that we need to loosen this magnet up to make it trip easier. Okay, so now we've got that trip. We're going to run our liquid back down, and we're going to look for the same process on the bottom mark. So as they're going down, so what we're doing, we're stopping it right there just so we can adjust that magnet until it trips. So now we're going to do the same process going back up, and we're just going to do this over and over until we get this thing dialed in where it's tripping perfectly. So right there we can see that it tripped a little soon, so we know that magnet for that top trigger point, it needs to be a little tighter. Now that's pretty as good as it gets right there. That was pretty spot on. Perfect. So at that point our float is set correctly. Our bottom check valve is reassembled. We're ready to go back in the casing with the pump, and we showed you how to do that as far as greasing the O-rings on the seat and the head, and we've showed you how to reinsert the pump into the casing. We've showed you the importance of putting the bottom check valve on vertically, and we've showed you the process of testing. I hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, please visit our website or feel free to call us. Thanks.